Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be slaying and laying down a new unit that I picked up off of Amazon. This is not the unit. If you want the review for this unit, then I'll put the link somewhere around here in the video somewhere. So guys, I'm just gonna get right into this video. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I didn't want to start this video off with like no hair on because I didn't want to like scare you guys. For those of you who are new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, then you would have seen me already without a unit on my head. So the wig we're going to be reviewing today is this wig here from Amazon.com, and believe it or not, the wig actually came braided like this, and I think it's super freaking cute. Like, how cute is this wig, guys? Like, seriously. So yeah, I'm going to be basically styling this unit from scratch because it still has a lace on it. I haven't worn it yet, so yeah, let's get right into this video, guys. Okay, so first I'm gonna tell you guys the supplies that you need. So just in case you don't have these supplies, you can run out and grab them. And if you guys have seen my other video with the pink lace front unit, that was just like something easy and simple to do, like just to throw it on and you don't have to do a bunch of customizing. This video is going to be a more in-depth video of how I actually wear my units when I'm not being lazy. So like if you see me in the yellow unit, the blue unit, the red unit, all of those units I customize them. Like I made baby hairs, I glued them down. I just basically laid those wigs. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to do the same thing with this unit. Okay, so the things you're gonna need is, I don't know if you guys heard about it, but you guys can actually use, this is spray tan, like tan in a spray. It's airbrush legs, it's called, and this is by Sally Hansen, and I picked this up from Braided, and it was $14. Kind of expensive for me, but whatever. It beats like bleaching knots, and you can't even beat bleach knots. So you can't bleach knots on a synthetic wig. So this method is freaking bomb, and if you get some on the hair, you just wipe it away. So you're gonna need some of this, or you could just use foundation, whichever is better for you. And you're also gonna need some hold spray. I do have the Got to Be Freeze hold spray, but that spray does not work for me. So I like to use this one. This is the spray that works for me. Okay, might not work for you, or the other one might work for you, but this one is what's worked for me. So then of course, you're gonna need some Got to Be gel, and I like to use the black one. And you're gonna need a blow dryer, and you're gonna need some scissors. As you guys know, I just moved into my new house, so these are the only scissors I could find. Super sucks. And you're gonna need one of these like shear cutters for your baby hairs. You're also gonna need some type of wipe to wipe away all the makeup that you have here, because the wig is not gonna stick down if you have makeup on your head, makeup on your skin. And you're gonna need a comb, which I have to look for because Penny did something to it. So I forgot to add that you're gonna need a toothbrush, and this is a firm toothbrush. It's very hard, and it's good to like swoop those baby hairs. So guys, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is spray tanning this cap, the lace on this wig. And I'm just gonna get into that. I don't wanna waste any time. So I'm just gonna use some Bounty and put it down on my table because I do not want to get this spray tan on this white table. It's a brand new table, so yeah. You're not going to focus on where this extra lace is because you're gonna be cutting that off anyway, and that would just be a waste of time and a waste of spray. So you want to focus where the hairline is, which is not much because it's a synthetic wig. So you basically want to just spray that with the spray. Do not spray it too much because the spray is very pigmented and it will make a freaking mess. Okay? So I'm just going to take the spray. Let's flip this wig. And I'm actually going to put a paper towel here, because like I said, this spray is a freaking mess. Like, I sprayed the wig cap to color it, and it made a huge mess. So I'm just gonna spray where the hair is. Only a little bit, guys. I'm not going crazy because I'm pretty light skinned. Okay, so that is good enough. Sorry if you guys can't see because my screen is like flipped. So yeah, that's good enough. Then you want to take your hold spray. Don't spray too much hold spray because it will make your wig hard. And this is basically just to lock in this tan spray. Then you're gonna spray a little bit of that hold spray on there to lock that in. Then I'm gonna go over this with my blow dryer so that it will basically dry up. Okay, so once it's dry, this is how it's gonna look. Remember, don't worry about hair because we're gonna be cutting this off. So now I'm just gonna flip the wig back. And as you guys can see, the lace is colored. So now I'm just gonna cut off this extra lace. Okay guys, so this is how I look without a wig. I recently cut my hair, so my hair is like super short. So this is my cap, and I actually, as you guys can see, half is tan and half is not. I spray tanned it using that tan spray. So if my lighting looks different in this part of the video, that's because I turned off my ring light because I need that slot for the blow dryer.
Purple color?
Yeah, I like a purple color. Okay, so this is how the wig looks on my head without cutting the lace. As you guys can see, it's just a fly. It's not gonna get you. Okay guys, so this is how the wig looks like before I customize it. I have to cut the lace off and fix these long baby hairs. I'm like super happy that it came with baby hairs because it makes this whole thing like so much easier. Okay, so I'm just going to try to not cut these baby hairs. I'm gonna use this comb to just like hold that, and I'm just gonna cut the lace off the front of this one first. A lot of people say don't cut off all the lace. It's basically up to you. You can cut all the lace, you can leave lace. It's your head, it's your wig. Whatever works for you, that's what you do. So I'm just going to cut I left a little bit of lace and we're gonna see how that works out. So let's see. Okay, so now let's cut this side. So having more light is better for me because I can see better, so yeah. Okay, so that's the lace cut off and this is how the wig looks without customizing it. So we're just going to lay this wig down. What I'm gonna do is take my makeup wipe, this is like a makeup wipe, clean your face wipe, whatever. Baby wipe you can use, and I'm just gonna wipe off the makeup on my forehead. The gel got to be. Make sure I don't get it in my baby hairs. So when I glue down my wig, I like to do it in sections. Like I don't do like the whole head. I do it in sections. So first I do this section. And then I'm just going to take my spray and I'm going to spray this down where I put the gel. And then I'm going to take my trusty blow dryer and I'm going to put it on cool. Do not put it on hot. Like guys, I went through so many trials and errors trying to glue down my wig. First, the free spray wasn't working. Then I had the dryer on hot. It's supposed to be on cool. So you basically just want to blow dry it until it gets tacky. That's why I kept like pressing it with my finger to see the tackiness, and now it's tacky. So I'm just gonna pull my wig all the way down.
Wow, down.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I'm not gonna use the baby hairs because I don't want to rip the baby hair.
A baby here.
Pull it down.
Is there a baby here?
Baby here.
Oh.
Not your hair, as in your baby hair, but this hair is baby hair.
Oh, the baby bear here.
So I'm just gonna take this comb and I'm going to press down on those baby hairs so they're not stuck. Even though we're gonna be cutting them, I just want to press down like that. As you guys can see, I don't lay glue and then spray and then blow dry and then do it again. I only do it once. I'm not putting all that product on my head. So I'm just gonna hold this there and I'm going to blow dry it again. Okay guys, now that the wig is laid down on my head, I absolutely love the way it came out. As you guys can see, this is very time consuming. That's why I did that really quick video where you could just add concealer and you cut it and you don't glue it or anything like that. But this is what I have to do, like when I want to do like a bomb look on Instagram and I want my hair to look popping. This is what I have to do. I have to do all this work. This wig would be freaking perfect for people who want to experiment with baby hairs and stuff like that and don't really know what they're doing, because it can be hard to like pluck out the hairs and know where to put the baby hair. This baby hair is already set up for you, so it's gonna take like a few minutes and you're gonna be done. Get down, but cut it. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just going to basically like shake it, or you can use scissors, whatever, it doesn't make a difference. I'm actually gonna use scissors because I'm impatient. I'm just going to cut in like an angle. I'm not cutting it straight, but I'm cutting in an angle, like I'm cutting it downwards. Like that. Kitty Giza. So for this part here, I want to leave some long, so I am going to use this to like shear it out because I don't want it to be like perfect. Kitty Visa. I'm going to cut it down a little bit more. What is this little piece of hair? So this goes to this side. These hairs are so annoying. If you find any long hairs, just do the same thing. Like, cut an angle. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do this side. To do this side is kind of hard because I have to like flip my hair in this way. Yay! No more hair in my face. Okay, so now let's get to slaying these baby hairs. This part is super easy. Just gonna take some little bit of the got to be. Make sure your hair is like parted where you want it to be. This is fine. And I actually like to put gel all the way to the ends of the hair, but not like on my forehead, because I do still have makeup on. So I'm just going to take it like this, and I basically just getting those hairs with the gel on it. And now I just take this brush. This hair goes to this side. I don't know why it keeps coming to this side. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the brush. Good thing about like having like light hair, like this hair is purple, like you can't really see it. The baby hair is kind of transparent. So I'm just going to wop it down like that. This is the first step. What did I do with those scissors? So okay, now we're just going to start swooping. So take the brush and sweep it. Sometimes this hair is like so hard, and I still have makeup on, so I should have just wiped away all the makeup on my forehead, but okay. Then I'm just going to take a little piece of gel and I'm going to put it on this hair to kind of just make it sit down better because it's like poking up. So that's that for that side. I do have some makeup like residue in here, so I'm just going to take this wipe and wipe it away. It's like showing now. Darn you, makeup! Try not to get it on my forehead too much. What time is it, Penny?
4.
Okay, 1 second.
Where's baby mama? Mommy, farm.
I'm trying to like separate this.
Oh,
thank you, nice baby. You like it purple here?
Purple here.
Let's tell everybody you like a purple here. Say I like it purple here.
Purple here.
So this is how the wig looks on my head. It's all complete. Like I said, if you guys put your makeup on first and then you put your wig on, make sure you wipe off like most of the foundation on your head because it is going to get in with the glue and it's going to start to turn like taggy, nasty looking color. You don't want that to happen. So yeah, make sure you wipe off the makeup. But this is how the wig looks and I hate that toy. I absolutely hate that toy. So guys, this is what the finished product looks like. I absolutely love it. This wig looks so bomb, guys. If you guys want this wig, of course, I'll have the information to purchase this exact unit in the description. And you guys will freaking love it because it comes with the pre-made baby hairs. So it will be easy. Coming soon. So it will be easy for you guys to lay down this wig and look slayed and laid. I absolutely love it. Like I would not be able to braid a synthetic wig like this to make it look bomb like this, but the way they have it is just like perfect. Look at it, guys. Okay guys, so that's gonna complete this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope it helped you guys learn how to slay your units exactly how I do. Like I said, this is not the same as the purple one. This is like a full detailed video. Wait, I'm not saying bye yet. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for future wig videos because you guys know I absolutely love wigs. I love color. Yes! So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and much love.